Dr. Dean Ornish and colleagues demonstrated decades ago that our leading cause of death could be reversed with diet and lifestyle changes alone, yet hardly anything happened.
Dr. Michael Greger is an American physician, author, and internationally recognized speaker, renowned for his expertise in clinical nutrition and public health, particularly his advocacy for whole food, plant-based diets. He founded nutritionfacts.org, a nonprofit platform that disseminates daily videos and articles translating peer-reviewed nutrition science into practical health guidance. Dr. Greger is also a New York Times best-selling author of books like How Not to Die, How Not to Diet, and How Not to Age, and he donates 100% of his book and speaking royalties to charity. With a medical degree from Tufts University and fellowship in the American College of Lifestyle Medicine, he combines evidence-based research with public advocacy to promote diet as medicine. In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful snacks that can help regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and ignite fat-burning processes at the same time. We'll not only highlight the science behind each snack, such as stem cell boosting compounds in berries and cruciferous vegetables, but also share simple, delicious ways to enjoy them right in your own kitchen. These tasty and accessible treats are your secret weapon for giving your body the nutrients it needs every day. Since true wellness starts with what you eat. What you snack on throughout the day can do more than curb hunger. It may actively coax your stem cells out of dormancy and support your body's natural healing systems. As Dr. Michael Greger explains, some vegetables can actually help regenerate your stem cells and extend your lifespan. Nature has already placed these powerful tools within reach, right in our kitchens. So, let's discuss 5 snacks that could help regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and burn fat from the inside out. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with questions about your health or medical condition. Do not disregard professional advice or delay seeking it because of something you have read here. That in mind, how does snacking play a role in your health? Snacks, those small bites between meals, can do more than just sate hunger. Depending on what you choose, it can either nourish your body or derail your health. Research shows that snacking on nutrient-dense options like fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, yogurt, or vegetables helps boost fiber, protein, and essential micronutrient intake while supporting healthy blood lipid and insulin responses. So, like miniature meals, snacks should be thoughtfully planned, focusing on quality and timing to support your health instead of undermining it. Now that we know its value, let's get into the 5 snacks that can help regrow stem cells and greatly improve your health. Natto avocado toast. You've probably tried avocado toast for its creamy texture and nutritional value. But did you know that pairing it with natto, a traditional Japanese food, may also help combat cancer? That's right. Natto brings in enzyme nattokinase, vitamin K2, isoflavones, and spermidine, compounds that have shown anti-tumor and anti-inflammatory effects and may suppress cancer progression. Meanwhile, avocado delivers monounsaturated fats and avocatin B, a lipid that research suggests specifically targets leukemia stem cells and supports stem cell regeneration while promoting fat metabolism. Together, the probiotic power of natto and the fat-burning, stem cell-boosting benefits of avocado could make your breakfast toast a silent ally in potentially fighting cancer, regenerating healthy cells, and burning fat thoroughly.
Beans,
Okay.
cowpeas, chickpeas, and lentils, that is the primary protein source with all the blue zones center their diets around. We can talk about beans forever. And if there were just 3 foods to first remove from one's diet,
As Dr. Michael Greger once put it, what we eat is more important than how often we eat it. Though this may be a new combination for some, choosing and mixing two nutrient-dense foods together in one snack can help you stay on track with nutrition while still being able to enjoy a wholesome snack.
What we eat is more important than how often we eat it.
To make it, toast some bread until crisp and golden on both sides. Take your avocado and mash it in a bowl until smooth chunky before seasoning with salt, pepper, chili, and lemon juice. Spread the avocado mash evenly over the warm toast. Then, vigorously stir or whip the natto until it forms long, sticky strings. Before dolloping them on top of the avocado in even strands, you can drizzle it with olive oil and sprinkle scallions or an extra pinch of chili to finish. With that, you get to enjoy creamy, tangy flavors with maximum nutritional benefit. This toast combines fermented soy's tumor-fighting enzymes and probiotics with avocado's immune-supportive fats and stem cell-targeting compounds. Delicious fuel that goes beyond flavor to support cancer defense, fat burning, and cellular renewal. Zatziki with wild greens. Imagine a creamy, tangy snack that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but equips your body with powerful tools to help in starving cancer, regenerating cells, and burning fat. Introducing Zatziki with wild greens, a Greek-inspired, probiotic-rich yogurt blended with garlic and cucumber and paired with antioxidant-loaded greens like spinach or chard. So, what makes this snack a true health powerhouse? First, Greek yogurt supplies live probiotics that enhance natural killer cell activity and support immune defense, crucial in targeting cancer and improving systemic immunity. Meanwhile, garlic and leafy greens provide anti-inflammatory compounds and essential micronutrients that help suppress tumor growth, promote stem cell repair, and boost fat metabolism. As Dr. Michael Greger once stated, I continue to be amazed by our body's ability for self-repair. Even after years of beating yourself up with a horrible diet, it's never too late to start eating healthier.
The human body is a self-healing machine, unless you're sticking with a fork 3 times a day.
If you are yet to try out Greek cuisine, you can try this snack. Greek cuisine emphasizes fresh vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and heart-healthy olive oil, resulting in meals rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support chronic disease prevention. This plant-forward, minimally processed eating pattern has been associated with lower risks of heart disease, certain cancers, improved metabolic health, and enhanced immune function. But before we move on, if you are looking to dive deeper into the foods that can prevent cancer, be sure to subscribe to the Vitazen Health newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox.
The strategy is to improve the quality of the food rather than restricting the quantity of food. If you put people on a diet packed with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans, and allow them to eat as much as they want, they end up eating about 50% fewer calories than they otherwise would.
So, here is how you can make it. Combine yogurt, drained cucumber, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a bowl until smooth. Place greens in a bowl, drizzle lightly with olive oil and a pinch of salt. Serve the tzatziki dipping sauce alongside the greens to enjoy this flavorful, nutritious snack. This snack delivers probiotics to strengthen your immune system, plant-based antioxidants to support stem cell regeneration, and healthy fats that promote fat burning. All of this wrapped in a delicious, easy-to-prepare package. Spiced roasted barley and Colo. Try to envision yourself snacking on a crunchy bowl of spice-roasted barley and Colo that's not just satisfying, but a potent ally in cancer defense, cellular renewal, and fat burning. Introducing this classic snack blend, rich in barley's beta-glucans, polyphenols, and plant proteins from legumes and nuts. Barley is loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals like ferulic acid and tocols that help neutralize free radicals, protect DNA, and suppress tumor growth, while its fiber supports gut health and may promote stem cell regeneration through butyrate production. Studies on Colo show it balances blood lipids, lowers cholesterol, and delivers steady energy, supporting metabolism, fat oxidation, and healthy cell function. Together, this snack is like nature's tri-action formula: cancer-fighting antioxidants, stem cell-supporting fiber, and metabolism-boosting protein and healthy fats.
Take personal responsibility for our own health, for our family's health. We can't wait until society catches up to the science again, because it's a matter of life and death.
Spiced barley and Colo are traditional Ethiopian snacks that pack a nutritional punch. It's rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support digestion, sustained energy, bone health, and cellular repair. The whole grains and legumes provide complex carbs and protein, helping regulate blood sugar, keep you full longer, and promote fat metabolism.
What percentage of your diet is composed of whole plant foods versus everything else, which is the processed foods, which now make up about 60% of the American diet in terms of calories?
So how can you make it? To start, combine 1 cup hulled barley, 1/2 cup roasted chickpeas, and 1/2 cup of peanuts or sunflower seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin or berbere, a pinch of salt, and toast this for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and fragrant, stirring constantly. Cool it beforehand and store in an airtight container. Now, you can enjoy a handful as an anytime snack to nourish your body and support cellular health. This flavorful, healthy mix harnesses barley's anti-cancer compounds and prebiotic fiber, along with legumes, protein, and antioxidants, designed to support stem cell function and immune resilience. Dua chua, Vietnamese pickled vegetables. Imagine a crisp, tangy snack that not only awakens your taste buds, but may also help your body fight cancer, renew its own cells, and burn fat. Introducing Dua chua, Vietnamese-style pickled vegetables rich in probiotics and antioxidants, offering a potent blend of gut-supportive bacteria, anti-inflammatory phytonutrients, and micronutrients like vitamin C. Fermented vegetables like Dua chua promote healthy gut flora, which strengthens immune defenses and may counter cancer cell growth, while compounds in the vegetables support stem cell activation and boost fat metabolism.
The plant-based group was feeling so good physically and mentally, had been able to come off so many of their medications that they were sticking with the diet on their own, and the weight had continued to come off.
Dr. Michael Greger reminds us, we should all be eating fruits and vegetables as if our lives depend on it, because they do. Dr. Greger consistently highlights that whole food, plant-based diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds not only reduce the risk of cancer and improve survival outcomes, but also help manage weight, lower harmful growth factors like IGF-1, reduce inflammation, and boost overall fitness and longevity.
Regardless of what you else do with your diet, it would be berries, greens, particularly dark green cruciferous veggies like kale, collard greens, and number 3 would be legumes.
This is what makes Dua chua a great snack to incorporate in your diet. It feeds your gut-friendly bacteria and helps your body absorb nutrients to help reduce inflammation and strengthen your body's natural defenses. To make it, simply pack julienne carrots, daikon or cabbage, and garlic into a clean jar. Dissolve a teaspoon of salt in a cup of water and pour over to cover the vegetables. Then seal and leave at room temperature for 3 to 5 days, opening daily to release gas. Once pleasantly sour, refrigerate and enjoy a few crunchy bites as a flavorful, probiotic-rich snack that may aid in regrowing stem cells, all in one simple, fermented crunch. Imagine a rich, satisfying snack that not only delights your palate, but may also help your body fight cancer, regenerate its own stem cells, and burn fat. Here we have dark chocolate trail mix, a nutrient-packed blend of antioxidant-rich dark chocolate, omega-3 and protein-loaded nuts, and fiber-filled dried berries. Dr. Michael Greger highlights that dark chocolate contains triple the amount of antioxidants compared to milk chocolate, and using pure cocoa powder may allow you to reap the flavonoids without the sugar and fat. These cocoa flavonoids have been shown to improve arterial function within hours, reduce inflammation, and support metabolic health, creating a body environment less hospitable to cancer and more conducive to fat burning. Meanwhile, nuts and berries deliver plant proteins, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that help suppress tumor growth, promote healthy stem cell activity, and assist with weight management.
So not only are there triple the antioxidants in dark compared to milk chocolate, but the milk actively works against the effects in the human body. So eat dark chocolate and get a nice spike in the antioxidant power of our bloodstream within an hour. Milk chocolate, nothing.
Making this trail mix is a straightforward process. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of raw almonds, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup of high cacao, dark chocolate chunks at about 70 to 85%, or simply pure cocoa nibs, and 1/4 cup dried berries like blueberries. Toss well and portion into small snack-sized baggies. Indulge in a handful as a nutritious treat to nourish your body's natural defenses, support cellular renewal, and aid fat metabolism. This delightful mix offers a powerful combination of anti-cancer phytonutrients, stem cell strengthening antioxidants, and metabolism-supporting fiber and healthy fats. A tasty, easy way to treat both your taste buds and your health. So, the next time you grab a snack, remember to take into account its value for your overall health. We've now talked about the 5 snacks that can help the body regrow stem cells and burn fat. But even with great snacks, you might be missing a crucial piece of the puzzle when it comes to truly fighting cancer. Minding what you eat for breakfast is just as valuable. So, watch this next video to discover the healthiest breakfasts that may not only strengthen your body, but also supercharge your body's defenses and help even further with starving cancer cells.